Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rakshita, currently pursuing BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication. My USN is 1VE22EC090. I am on the subject today is social connectivity and the responsibility. Topic is water conservation. Introduction. The practices of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage and preventing freshwater resources. Water is essential for living, ecosystem, agriculture and industry. Overview of this presentation. Current water crucial importance of water conservation, tips of water conservation at home, water conservation in agriculture, community involvement of water conservation, cooperative responsibility in water conservation. Let's know about the on the topic of current water crisis. Global water scarcity. Over 2 million people worldwide lack access to clean and safe drinking water. Approximately 40% of global population facing water scarcity at least 1 month per year. By 2050, the global demand of water is a project to exceed the support by 40%. Impact of water scarcity. Water scarcity contributes to poverty, malnutrition, diseases, particularly in developing regions. Water scarcity harms agriculture, productivity, dispute industrial reliances of water, and undermines economy development. Example of the reasons facing the several water shortages. Some countries are facing a real shortage of water and the scarcity of water. The regions are Central Asia, West Asia and North Asia, often experiencing physical water scarcity. Causes of water scarcity. How the cause of the water scarcity? Let's know. Mainly the population growth in urbanization, climatic changes and unpredictable weather patterns, pollution and contaminating water resources, efficiency water using practices. Population growth. Mainly the population is higher and it's rapidly growing in urban areas, increasing the demand of water for domestic industries, agriculture purposes. Climatic condition. We don't know when the rain will come. A climate will be changed regionally and leads to increased frequency and the intensity of drought, floods and other extreme weather events. Pollution and contaminating water resources. Nowadays, due to the contaminating water is being getting polluted day by day. As you can see, the fresh water we can see in the lakes and rivers, the fresh water is not being seen due to the polluting the water by industries and home wastes, etc. First, we should consume the contaminating the fresh water sources, and such as flood irrigation and the open canals resulting open canals or the flood irrigation which results in water usage through evaporation or runways. Where the open canals are there, water cannot be stored and it flows gradually and it can be evaporated. So we should construct around the canal to conserve the water. Now, what importance of water conservation? Preventing ecosystem and biodiversity, ensuring access to the clean water for the further generation, maintaining the efficiency of drought and water scarcity, reducing the energy consumption associated with the water treatment and distribution. Preventing ecosystem. Water conservation helps maintaining health aquatic ecosystem including rivers, lakes and wetlands that supports diversity flora and fauna. Ensures according to cleaning water in the further generation, we should prevent the clean safe water for the presence of a further generation. We should maintain the water cleanness and the safe to the further generations also, because water is being used everywhere. Now the scarcity of water is being more and consumption of water is being less. It's been polluted, etc. etc. Impacts of drought, floods and water scarcity by reducing water demands and ensuring water reliances. And treatment and disputes are water treatment and disputes process consumption, significance of energy, consumption of energy, contribution to the greenhouse gases emission and environmental pollution. Tips to follow at home, how the water should be prevented. First of all, instant water saving appliances and fixers. Mostly use the low flow toilets, shower heads, etc. Water saving fixes can be significant, reducing the water usage without compression functionality. Compared functionality. Practicing water waste landscapes, choosing drought tolerance plants and natural specifiers of landscapes and maintaining water requirements, implementing the returnable soil moisture and reducing the evaporation in garden and floor baths. And taking short showers, turning off the tap. Whenever after using the taps, please turn off it because the flow of the water will be more to avoid the unnecessary water flow. Water conservation in agriculture. Efficiency irrigation techniques. Adopting the previous irrigation methods such as drips and the micro sprinklers are being very used, and they are directly water is goes through the roots and maintains water usage through evaporation or runways. Implementing schedule and techniques to obtain the irrigation timings and the frequency based on crop water requirements and the soil moisture level. Soil management practices. The soil should be conserved and managed such as the as you can see nowadays when we plant a crop, on that we'll put a sheet or a cover to protect the plant and the scarcity, and to reduce the scarcity of water and due to the short evaporation of water. Incorporating organic materials in soil and increasing water holder capacity and promotes the nutrition cycle, reduce the needs of irrigation. Select crop selection and rotation. Choosing drop resistant crops variation adapts to the local climatic condition and water availability. Communicating, irrigating and water conservation. Public awareness. We should aware the public about the importance of the water conservation through the programs, workshops and public services announcements, everything. Arising the awareness of a local water issue and water saving practices and the collecting responsibility of water stewardship. We should arise the awareness around our society about this, how water is being used, how it's been conserving, how it is being wasted. All the workshops and the public services announcements should be done to take care or awareness of this water conservation. Implementing water saving policy and regardless, investing the water infrastructure upgrades like pipelines and treating facility to maintain the water usage, leakage and the society inefficiency. Cooperating responsibility in social or water conservation. Adopting water efficiency techniques and the process. Invited in water efficiency equipments, techniques and the production process in the maximizing water consumption and absorption resource use. Implementing water recycle, reuse and treatment systems and reducing fresh water withdrawals and waste water discharge. Implementing water cycle and reuse system like industrial process, cooling system and landscape irrigation. Implementing closed loop water system and the zero liquid discharge techniques to maximize the water discharge and the pollution. Particularly the consumption of water resource challenges, ensuring the partnership with the local communities, government and NGOs to support water conservation projects, and with the support of NGOs, local community of government of making the awareness of this support of a water conservation project, infrastructure development and watershed management and instruction. At last, a conclusion. Water conservation is ensurable across the clean water preventing ecosystem and the mitigating the efficiency of water scarcity. Explore the current water crucial and the causes and the impacts and the adaptations, establish water management practices, and addressing the water challenges required collaborating efficiency for individual, community, government and business. By working together, we can create meaningful changes and very useful changes for the further generation and the further usage of water. Let's come in this implement water safe practice in our daily lives also. It should be implemented in our daily lives also. We should conserve the water, such as fix leakage, like fixing leakages, using less water, using shower water, etc., and mainly making the awareness to the public how water should be conserved and it should be used. Thank you guys. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.